What is up, everybody? Alan here. I am the Maker Studio Coordinator here at the Linda Sokol Francis Brookfield Library. And for today's Take and Make tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Mexican pan flute. As always, the materials you will need were provided in this month's Take and Make kits, which, as always, can be found near the second floor reference desk here in the building. And they included some plastic straws. What you'll need in addition to these materials are a pair of scissors and some tape. First off, you'll take one of the straws and you'll fold it in half or close to it in half like this so that you're able to cut off the piece like this. Now, you'll have two halves, and then you'll basically line up the rest of the straws with the two halves that you have just made after cutting so that you're able to split them all up more or less evenly. Once you've done that, you have a bunch of these halves of the plastic straws, and what you'll do, you don't have to use all of them, but if you'd like, you can use most of it, if not all of them, to go ahead and line up together. And then similarly to what you were doing in cutting them to make different halves, notice not every one piece I made evenly, but you'll line them up so that all of them line up at least from the top, and then you'll go one by one and cut them each to where one piece is slightly smaller than the last one. As you can see, once you are done cutting these straws up, you'll have something like this. It'll look better when I finally line it up all here on the table. And then you'll take your tape and you'll wrap around it to make the shape of the flute. Once all taped together, there you have it, your own Mexican pan flute, just in time for Hispanic Heritage Month. Happy Hispanic Heritage Month to you all. Thank you all, as always, for watching. And as always, happy crafting.